welcome back to my channel again. I am here at Lowe's and we're gonna look for some plants. Oh look, they have some cute cactuses. Sun is hitting them. Look, this is the one that Lisette just potted. Looks just like it, a variegated. Let's see what it says. There it is. Just variegated. That's cool. Here's a cool cactus I've never seen before. The sun is hitting these. As you can see, I believe they just got these in. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and let's see. They didn't get rained on yesterday, I don't think so. I've always wanted one of these, so I'm gonna pick one out. Which one do I like the best? Maybe this one. It's so cute, boy. Do they like that one? There's some jade. There was somebody next to me, so I was trying not to be loud. Look at this monster plant. That is a big one. That is Eve's Needle Crest, Apuntia succulent Krista. I told you this Lowe's gets some really weird plants. I wonder if because people come a lot to this Lowe's to buy these kinds of plants. Look at that beautiful cactus. Look at how big it is. So these are $20, guys. And let me just show you. Let's see what this one's called. This one's called Sun Goddess. I'll do the short name. And then this is a golden barrel. And then this one here is a Euphorbia horrida, something like that. So yeah, let's see what else I can see. Oh, you want to know? Let me see the name of the weird cactus that I've never seen before. This is called. That's what it's called. And then they have some planters here, hanging planters. I'll try to go really slow to just give you guys a good view. So I definitely think you should go to different Lowe's because not all of them are equal, I would say. Okay. Here we have some more cactuses. They're typical cactuses. At least they don't have the flowers on them. This is Mammillaria elegans. I had that one, but mine's a little, I think, stretched out. And then just your typical succulents that you normally see. Okay, let me keep looking. Goodness, look at this flower. Wow, this is gonna have lots and lots of flowers. That's pretty cool. Oh, here's a small one. Here's a small Eve's Needle. That's cool. That's interesting. I'm not sure if I want it or not. It'll be in the maybe. Like if I don't find anything else exciting, then some more planters. More cactuses with the ugly flower. Ooh, I see. Oh, but these are messed up. So this is the variegated ghost plant. And it's messed up though. I got one at home. I got a little one. I got it at Home Depot. I haven't showed it to you guys yet because I haven't done what do you call it? A video on it yet. So yeah.
How you doing, ma'am?
Good, how are you? So yeah. Nope. I'm just looking at plants. I'm a plant collector. Here are some terrible looking plants. Oh my god. Look at that. How sad is that? How freaking sad is that? That sucks. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. Oh look, here's a big variegated. Like with a lot of babies. Oh goodness. Some of these are terrible. There's some more cactuses over there. Looking around here. These are Graptopetalum, but obviously they're really stretched out. I think they're Graptopetalum pendentrum. They're similar to Murasaki, but these are really stretched out because they get no sun over here, nothing but shade. All these here get nothing but shade. And the fan is blowing here, so you guys are gonna hear the fan. Okay, here's this other side here. Got some cactuses. I like the hairy ones for some reason. They call my attention. Oh, this is a donkey's tail. It's all messed up. That one's cool too. Oh, I mean that's I know that one. That's the elegance that I just showed you earlier on the other side. Yeah, I don't see anything else that I actually really like that little one. Hold on. I like the way it looks. See if I can reach it. Is it tight? Fit. Okay, it's this one, but it has the ugly. I'm gonna get pricks. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it. Okay. It's got the ugly flower here. So, and it's got, I don't know if that's gonna be rotting through there. I don't know if water's been getting through there and that's why it's black. But I really like the way the plant looks. If I can't remove this nicely, I might not buy it because it's just, nobody wants that. Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'll be able to remove the glue. I just like, it's so cute. It's just got so many little petals. I can like picture this in a nice arrangement. This is to me, I look at this like if it was a little forest and I'm a little tiny person. So cute. I think I'm gonna get this one and the other one. If I can find where I left my other one. Let's see. There it is. I found more side plants. What a freaking waste. It's just pointless. Whoever's putting these together, they need to look at my videos and just say, you know what, I'm not even going to go through all the trouble. They're going to go to waste. So yeah. Anyways. Let me look around here. Welcome back to my channel, and as you can hear that thundering, it's about to pour over here. So I just want to make this quick video. This is a collective haul and just showing you an arrangement that I made, and I potted up some succulents. Oh, and I'm missing one. Okay. I think I'm missing one, but I'm not gonna look for it right now. Okay, so this is the arrangement I made, and the as you can see in the video earlier, I showed you guys when I went to Lowe's and I purchased this one and that one. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And this one's the one that I had purchased in the Dominican Republic. So this is the arrangement that I came up with for that one. And then these I got, I went to go see my friend, and I was gonna buy some succulents, but she didn't let me. She gave these to me, so thank you so much. So I got these two for free. And then this is the, I believe that this is an agaboides. It's starting to rain that I got at Dominican Republic. I'm not sure if that's the Agavoides. And then this one I got the other day at Home Depot. So, and then these are some cactuses that my mother-in-law brought back for me from Dominican Republic. So that's what I wanted to show you guys real quick because it is starting to rain. And I'll take some pictures of this and post it at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and for all your support.